The wings of a 757 are swept at degrees A 50, B 30, C 25, D 36. The correct answer is 25. The 757 was intended to replace the A 727, B 767, C 777, D 787. The correct answer is 727. When did the production of the 757 end? A 42,675, B 40,483, C 38,261, D 39,722. The correct answer is 38,261. What is the maximum takeoff weight of the 757-200? A 255,000 pounds, B 355,000 pounds, C 455,000 pounds, D 155,000 pounds. The correct answer is 255,000 pounds. Which of the following is a stretched variant of the Boeing 757? A 757-200P floor, B 757-200, C 757-200M, D 757-300. The correct answer is 757-300. The last 757 was delivered to which of the following airlines? A. Thai Airways, B. Air India, C. Shanghai Airlines, D. Malaysia Airlines. The correct answer is Air India. Which of the following supplies CRT screens for the 757? A. BAE Systems, B. Rockwell Collins, C. General Electric, D. Mercedes-Benz. The correct answer is Rockwell Collins. Eastern Airlines was the launch customer of the 757. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. Pilots rated on the 757 could be qualified to fly the 767. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. The 757 has a retractable tricycle landing gear. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. The 757-200P floor entered service with UPS Airlines in 1987. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true.